Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on how to find the number without actually counting it by using multiplication. How many in all? So the first example is the almirah has 4 shelves. There are 5 books in each shelf. How many books are there in the almirah? So here it is shown in the picture. So the number of shelves is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the number of books in each shelf is it's given 5. So if you see here, each book will have 5 books. So here first shelf 5 book, second shelf 5 book, third shelf 5 book, fourth shelf 5 book. So instead of counting all the books, now we are going to find the total number of books in this almirah by using multiplication. So we know the formula, total number of books is equal to number of shelves into number of books in each shelf. So here the number of shelves is 1, 2, 3, 4 it is given, and the number of books in each shelf it is given 5. So 4 into 5. So that is 20 books. So thus there are 20 books in almirah. Next example is a shirt has 5 buttons. How many buttons would 3 shirts have? So what is given? A shirt has 5 buttons. That is number of buttons in one shirt. So number of buttons in each shirt is 5. And the number of shirts is 3. So number of shirt equal to 3. So total number of buttons is number of buttons in each shirt into number of shirts. So number of buttons in each shirt is given 5 and number of shirts is 3. So 5 into 3 is 15 buttons. So you know that it's 3 into 5 or you can write it as 5 into 3. So thus there are totally 15 buttons in 3 shirts if one shirt has 5 buttons. Next example is there are 4 fans. Each fan has 3 blades. What is the total number of blades in all? So solution, let's first write what is given. So number of blades in each fan. So 1, 2, 3. All the fans have 3 blades. So number of blades in each fan is equal to 3. Now what is the total number of fans? 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of fans is 4. So now how will you find the total number of blades in all? What you will do normally, you will add all the blades continuously, right? That is repeated addition. So here what we are doing? We are multiplying. So repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. So total number of blades in all is number of blades in each fan into number of fans. So number of blades in each fan is 3 and number of fans is 4. So 3 into 4, that's nothing but 12 blades. So thus there are totally 12 blades in 4 fans. So 3 into 4, how can you write? So 3 is repeated 4 times. So that is 3 into 4. Next example, a box contains 6 apples. How many apples in all will 7 boxes have? Okay, so a box is there. So contains 6 apples. A box means 1 box. So what's given? Solution, number of apples in each box. Each box means 1 box. It is 6. Okay, so number of boxes is, so there are 7 boxes they have given. So number of boxes is 7. So how will you find total number of apples? So instead of counting all the apples, here it's a repeated addition of 6, right? So 6 is repeated 7 times. So we are going for multiplication. So the total number of apples is equal to, we are using the formula, number of apples in each box into number of boxes. So here number of apples in each box is 6 into total number of boxes is 7. So 6 into 7 is 42 apples. So thus there are totally 42 apples in 7 boxes. Next example is how many corners would 4 triangles have? So there are 4 triangles. So we know that it is a triangle. So each triangle will have 3 corners. So tri means 3. So 3 corners. So number of corners in each triangle is equal to 3. You know that, right? 1, 2, 3. So all the triangles will have 3 corners. So number of triangles here is 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. So total number of corners, how will you find out? Instead of adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, we are going to do repeated addition. That's nothing but multiplication. So here 3 is repeated 4 times. So what we are writing? The total number of corners is equal to number of corners in each triangle into number of triangles. So this is the formula. So number of corners in each triangle is, we know that it's 3, into number of triangles here is 4. So 3 into 4 is 12 corners. So thus there are totally 12 corners in 4 triangles. Next we are going to see few multiplication facts. So here they are given with 8 into 3. That is nothing but 8 is repeated 3 times. So that is 8 plus 8 plus 8. That's nothing but 24. So 8 into 3 is 24. Next is 3 into dash equal to 9. So 3 into what number will give you 9? So what number will give you 9? So 3 into 3 will give you 9. So next is dash into dash equal to 42. So you have to think what number multiplied with what number you will get 42. So 6 multiplied with 7 will give you 42, or 7 multiplied with 6 will give you 42. That is 6 is repeated 7 times or 7 is repeated 6 times will give you the answer 42. Next is 5 into dash equal to 40. So you know that how many times if 5 is repeated, then you will get 40. So you know that if 5 is repeated 8 times, then you will get 40. So 5 into 8 is 40. Next question is dash into dash is equal to 54. So what number is repeated how many times will give you the answer 54. So you know that if 9 is repeated 6 times or if 6 is repeated 9 times, then you will get the answer as 54. So 9 into 6 is 54. The next question is 5 into dash is 35. So when 5 is repeated how many times, then you will get 35. So if 5 is repeated 7 times, then you will get 35. So 5 into 7 is 35. Next is dash into 6 is 36. So if 6 is repeated how many times, then you will get 36. So if 6 is repeated 6 times, then you will get 36. So 6 into 6 is 36. The same way 10 into dash is equal to 100. So 10 repeated how many times will give you the result as 100. So you know that if 10 is repeated 10 times, then you will get the result as 100. So 10 into 10 is 100. So the next question is dash into 9 is 36. So if 9 is repeated dash times, you will get 36. You know that if 9 is repeated 4 times, then you will get 36. Or if 4 is repeated 9 times, then you will get 36. So we can write 4 into 9 is 36. Next question is dash into 7 is 28. So 7 is repeated how many times to get 28? So if 7 is repeated 4 times, then you will get 28. So you can write 4 into 7 as 28. Hope you have understood how to find the multiplication facts and also to find the number without actually counting it by using multiplication facts. Thank you for watching the video.